Assalamu-alaikum and welcome back to another new video. Let's start today's video immediately. On your computer screen, open your Google Chrome web browser and search here devc++ and download it from the first sourceforge.net link and click here on download button. After the setup files download, open that setup file. After setup open, select your desired language and I am choosing English. Click on OK and just simply install this setup. I am changing the location but you can leave as it is, and then click on next to install this software. We are just installing this IDE to use its compiler for C or C++, and untick run dev C++, then click on finish button and then just right click on it and just go to open file location, and here you have to open mingw64 folder and double click on your bin folder and you will get the C and C++ compiler here, as you can see. So you have to locate this directory in your Windows. So open your setting app and here search system, click on about your PC, and here you have to open advanced system settings, and here you have to click on environment variables and double click on path, as you can see listed here. Double click on path and add that directory here by clicking on new button. Here is the directory. Copy the path where this directory is and then paste the path in a new record, and you are done. Hit enter key and then click on OK, and then you are done. You have successfully linked your C or C++ compiler to the Windows. So let's check whether our compiler is working or not. I am opening right now cmd and hit enter key to open it. Here I am typing gcc and enter, and as you can see it is saying that fatal error, no input files. If the compiler was not successfully loaded, it will give us this error that your gcc is not recognized as an internal or external command. And now type g++, and as you can see g++ is also working, else it will give us like this error if it is not successful. So if this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos from this channel, you can subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos notification as soon as possible. So thanks for your time, have a good day, Allah Hafiz.